Welcome to our channel. If your Roku isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, you may experience issues like buffering, unable to stream content, or simply no connection at all. In this video, we'll show you 6 easy fixes to get your Roku device back online and streaming in no time. Check your Wi-Fi network. The first step is to confirm that your Wi-Fi network is working properly. Ensure that other devices in your home can connect to Wi-Fi. If multiple devices are having trouble connecting, there may be an issue with your router or internet service provider, ISP. Restarting your router may help. Restart your Roku device. A simple restart can fix many connectivity issues. To restart your Roku device, go to Settings, System Restart, or unplug the Roku from the power source for about 10 seconds and plug it back in. This can often resolve temporary connection problems. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. If your Roku is still not connecting, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network and reconnecting. Go to Settings, Network, Set up Connection, and select your Wi-Fi network. After selecting it, enter your Wi-Fi password again to reconnect. Check for router issues. Make sure your router is functioning properly. Check the router's status lights and ensure that your internet connection is active. Try moving your Roku device closer to the router to improve signal strength, especially if the device is far away from the router. Ensure correct Wi-Fi settings. Double-check your Wi-Fi settings to ensure they're compatible with your Roku device. For example, Roku typically supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. But if your router is set to a frequency that your Roku doesn't support, like 5 GHz only, you may need to adjust the router settings. Make sure you're using the right security settings, WPA2 or WPA3, as well. Update Roku software. Outdated software on your Roku can sometimes cause connectivity issues. To check for updates, go to Settings, System Update, and click Check Now. Installing the latest update can help resolve any bugs or issues that might be preventing your Roku from connecting to Wi-Fi. By following these 6 steps, you should be able to resolve the Wi-Fi connection issue on your Roku device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful troubleshooting tips and tech guides.